Hey guys, this is John from WaltonsInc.com, and this is our March 2019 giveaway and sales video. We've got a ton of great giveaways and sales for 2019, so make sure you subscribe to the Waltons YouTube channel to be the first to know when we release new giveaway and sales videos. Plus, remember to tap the bell next to the subscribe button to get notified about each new video. Our March giveaway is going to help any lucky winner improve their home processing and even their general cooking. We have an awesome set of knives for you that we've selected for their ability to help you when you're processing your wild game, but also to help you cook almost any meal in the kitchen. First, we've got this Kapoosh Wood Knife Block. This is the most versatile style of knife block that you can find. The storage area is filled with these freedom rods that let you create any configuration of your knives that you can think of. Now, Victornix and Swiss Army make some of the best knives in the business. These are often the knives that you're going to see in food processing plants, and if they're good enough for the professionals, they should work for you too. They're made from high carbon, no stain steel, so they're going to hold an edge really well. The first knife we have for you, this is 8-inch chef's knife. Now, this is a really versatile knife that you can use to chop, mince, slice, and even it could help you break down a carcass. In case you prefer a somewhat serrated knife, we're also including the 7.5-inch wavy chef knife. Now, the wavy edge is going to give you a little bit more cutting power, and it's also great if you want to cut bread. We've also got an 8-inch straight fillet knife. This is a very narrow blade, and it's flexible to allow you to get around any bones. We've also got a 6-inch semi-stiff curved boning knife. This is what I like to use when I'm deboning a pork butt or any other medium-sized cut of meat. This 8-inch breaking knife has a nice curve to it and a nice thick base. You can use this as to help you break down carcasses or just as a slicing knife. Now, this 8-inch carving knife is going to make you the king of the turkeys during the holidays. Then we're also including this 8-inch Granton Edge butcher's knife for when you need to break down larger cuts, and the Granton Edge will even help prevent meat from getting stuck to the knife. Also, if your dinner party is going poorly and you need people to leave, just come out of the kitchen waving this around. People will clear out right away. And finally, we also have a set of 4 of these wavy steak knives. And to keep everything safe during shipping, we're going to include 7 of these knife saves. If you have little ones who are sticking their hands into everything, don't worry. These are going to help ensure that your knives are safely covered. And so you can keep everything nice and sharp, we have this Chef's Choice 120 sharpener. This sharpener uses 3 stages, so you can take a really dull knife all the way back to razor sharp, or if they just need a little quick touch up, you can do that too. We've also got a Waltons hat and a collection of some of my favorite seasonings and shakers. The total value on this giveaway was over $540, so make sure you enter to win by going to waltonsinc.com/win. And if you can't wait to see if you're the winner, then all these knives and other items are available for purchase right now at waltonsinc.com. For sales this month, we've got 4 things to help you make some great jerky at home. First, we've got the Weston Jerky Gun on sale for just $34.99. This is really helpful when you're trying to make restructured jerky at home. Now, we've also got $10 off the Weston 3-tier jerky racks, and we're taking $20 off the Weston 4-tray digital dehydrator. Now, the dill pickle seasoning from Excalibur is one of my favorite things they've created in years. It's got a great dill pickle-like flavor and a little bit of heat to it. Now, I know that might not sound great, but if you like dill pickles, even just a little bit, you've got to try it. To help you try it, we're going to make it $9.99 all month long, and that'll season 25 pounds of meat. Now, barbecue season is almost here, and to help you with that, we've got the Chicken Beer Roaster Deluxe on sale for just $15.99. The non-stick mesh grilling basket for $10.99, the Flip Professional Smoke Box for just $14.99, and these orange heat-resistant gloves for $11.99. We put these things on sale fairly often because, all jokes aside, they can be a lifesaver. There's tons of times that I would have burned my hands if I didn't have those around. The Jacquard Tenderizer works by using these spears to penetrate your meat to allow your chicken, pork, or steak, or whatever to pick more up of the marinade that you want to use. I've been using this more and more recently, so that you can try it out. I'm taking $6 off and making them $23.99. Finally, we have $3.50 off the Weston 3-packs of the 11 by 18 foot and the 8-inch by 22-foot rolls. These are great ways to make custom-sized vacuum bags for your chambered or non-chambered machines. They actually work with that. As always, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and visit waltonsinc.com and meatyoursticks.com to find everything but the meat. Thanks for watching. I'm John with waltonsinc.com, and I'll see you guys next time. Subscribe to Walton's YouTube channel to watch more videos, or shop at waltonsinc.com to find everything but the meat. To learn how to use equipment and seasonings to make delicious products, click here or click here.